Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a greeting card that I titled Glorify. I'm using the digital version of the collection Hello Autumn by Carta Bella, and I'm also using one of my freebie card sketches that you can find as fully functional silhouette and SVG cut file on my website, MistyHilltops.com. I'm further using a label from the Silhouette store and a Scalloped Rectangle die. So here I start by putting the background paper onto the card background, and so which is the card base, and then I created this scalloped strip of paper from another one of the papers from the Hello Autumn collection. Then I die cut this scalloped rectangle, and on top of that I glue the kind of the sentiment, or it's basically a label that you can buy from the Silhouette store, and I have a bunch of these labels that I can reuse in all different kinds of ways, and so I like to use them even as greetings on my greeting card. And so here comes another die cut piece that I just use as a little embellishment, and that's my card done. Very fast. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.